How to apply discount code in DataCamp. Are you guys facing issues to apply a discount code in DataCamp courses? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To apply a discount code in DataCamp, first of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for DataCamp website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now head over to the upgrade section or pricing section, which you can usually see at the top right corner of your screen. Just simply tap on upgrade button. After you click on upgrade, you will be forwarded to this section. Now just select your subscription purchase. If you want to select $7, tap to upgrade to premium. When you reach the checkout page, you will see a field labeled promo code or discount code. Enter your code carefully in that box, then click apply. If the code is valid, you will instantly see the updated price with the discount applied. After that, add your payment details and click subscribe to complete your purchase. Don't forget to check the expiry date and terms of your discount code before applying, since some are time limited or apply only to certain plans. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna apply a discount code in DataCamp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.